Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to install Handbrake on your Raspberry Pi. As you know, there isn't Handbrake for ARM. It's for Intel and your Raspberry Pi is ARM. So how do you do it? It's not the normal way. So to do it, without any further ado, let's get started. First, we'll be opening up VNC, then be connecting to our server. If that is taking too long, you can just close this, delete this, and then come again with the host name, and you're done. By password, super secure password. And yeah, remember password. That's fine with me. Okay, here we have the Raspberry Pi desktop and we are SSH'd into. So next what we're gonna do is come here, then come down to preferences, come to add or remove software and wait for it to open up. Okay, once this comes, you can come here and type Handbrake and click enter. Okay, there are two versions. One is the command line version and one is the UI version. So why not? Let's install both of them. I have enough storage. That's a bit unresponsive. Okay, yeah, there we go. Once ticked both of them, just click apply. Now it asks for the password of the Raspberry Pi. We'll just put that in and click OK and wait. Okay, there we go. Finished. Let's just click OK and see where our handbrake is. So come here, come down to sound and video and handbrake. Let's try that again. Okay, there we have. A bit laggy, so just close this window and stay here. Okay, handbrake. There we go, handbrake. I can put in a video file and the normal presets and everything is there. So I think that concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.